Hi, news reporters. For this good news that here's our news reporter. Her name is Tita Meg. How did you feel that you win?
Win what?
And the trophy.
What trophy?
The trophy that you win on the game.
What game? You're not facing the camera.
What did you feel that you win on the game one, then the one you will go on the chair and you will remove the chair again and you will and the one
You're
the
not
one
facing him.
the one who's gonna be winner is
Yes, Ella
so
Tatbantan.
let's clap.
You're the winner, yay!
Dito ka.
No, you're the one who's reporting on the ano.
And clap for Maggie!
Yay!
Okay, after that, our another news patrol. Maming.
What mommy?
So be quiet because she's sleeping. So, Mama, what did you feel that your baby, that your daughter wins? What you can feel?
Ella, you're not facing the camera.
What you can feel that your daughter wins?
I'm so happy.
Clap
Yay!
for Maggie!
Yay!
Clap for Maggie. And after that, we have a news patrol, a scary movie that it tests the blowing that looks like your cell phone is flying away, and the trash will come away, and the laptop will come away, and everything on the house. So this the story. One day there was one day there is
A dead body lying on the floor.
there is a people on the floor and he got lost and her cell phone rings with the message with the 4:33. She did not answer it. After that, her comb fly away, so she becomes sad because her things are no more. And after that, when she's eating she just closed her eyes a little bit, still commercial on the news. It become like that and it come away. That's what happened. So and all. So thank you for this news, for the blowing. Let's clap for the blowing news.
Whee! Yay!
After
Hooray!
that, we have what's that? And
Uncursive.
we have
what?
commercial. So bye bye first.
Bye bye for now.
Okay.
Bye bye.
And your name is I'm back. So the news reporters would start from me. So the news reporters, what happened? There is one people crossing the street, but there's a fire there, and he brought in the hospital. Let's see it. What's the commercial? Maraming biyak ko yun, ha? Hawakan ka.
Hindi ko.
Kung dahil may fire. Nasa hospital na. So that's the news reporters. What a not nice day for that because of the kid. Because that's just a 5 years old. But her mommy's not there because her mommy's there going with another street without the baby. So that's what happens. That's why be careful when your mommy's not there. Be careful and always be careful when you're big. So another news patrol from there's a fire man coming and another news patrol. There's a funny thing, a movie. Watch this now. And one day, there was a car named Pickup. And the pickup come there in the boat. And after that, the cow poops on the car. So, who's that?
The cow.
Not. Tell me what's the correct answer. Who pooped on the car?
Ella pooped on the car.
It's wrong. The one who pooped is the cow. So, who parks near on the cow?
Ella.
Losers. The loser is Tita Maggie. Because she choose me. Okay, I have another
in the
news.
car.
Cow!
You. Okay.
Wait lang, hindi pa tapos. My news reporters and you do what I say. Cell phone. My name is Lou.
My name is Lou, and
My
you
name
do
is
what
cell
I
phone
say.
and I do my cell phone. Woot. What happened in my cell phone? I cannot see it now. You know you won't be much of a time. My name is Duke, and you do what I say. Some doctor, I see and food, and I will not finish it. You, I was a man, and I won't do what I say. Tusok, and I don't love you anymore. I say, cell phone,